Ma'am, it is completed yesterday.
4, 5, 6 is not done, right?
No, ma'am.
So to 4, 5, 6 we will complete. Then only I will means this chapter we can say like that.
Ma'am, my complete.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, my not complete.
Okay, question
Ma'am, my
number.
complete. Ma'am, my complete. Complete.
Yourself mute.
आपने कल 3 क्वेश्चंस करवाए.
So question number 4, from question number 4 we will start today. What kind of feet so perching bird, perching birds have three toes in front and one at the back. Okay, they use their front toes to grip the branches. Okay, so this is why 5 of you raised your hand. Yes, well, what is the problem?
Ma'am, I not see.
Not seeing. Okay. Wait. Right now you can see soil.
Yes, ma'am, I see.
Okay, please keep yourself there. Right. Seller bird uses its beak. Its beak like a needle stitch. Plant fiber to make its nest. Okay. So what is the last question? What is hatching? Question number 6. So entire para you need to write actually. The birds lay eggs to hatching. Okay. The birds lay eggs in their nests. One of the parents sit on them to give birth. Other protects from enemies. After some days, the baby birds hatches out. This is called complete up to this. And after that, if it is completed, there are some pictures like this is web feed, this is perching bird feed, this is the second picture. I can't see properly. Can anyone tell me second and fourth picture is which birds? Yes, Soil, unmute. Yes, Agnu. Please unmute.
Ma'am, second question is sparrow and last question is crane.
Okay, very good. So up to this, you all complete it. Next day, we will start the next chapter, human body. This chapter will be there in your exam, okay? So I think most of you have completed those all the questions answers. Okay. So read this chapter nicely. Tomorrow this is your exam. Right now, you please read the chapter. I will ask you all few questions. And I'm lowering all of your hands because I will give the attendance. Don't raise your hands. Sayam, please just lower your hands. Jashmeer, you were absent in few class. Please read. Okay. I think okay. Now all of you close your books. Close your books. All of you close your books. All of you close your books. I will ask the questions and you need to give me the answers. Okay. I have lowered your hands also. Okay. So first you tell me, give some example of waiver bar. No, give some no. Okay, fine. Give some example of two birds which cannot fly. Give me some example of two birds which cannot fly. Yes, Dipal.
Ma'am, kiwi and penguin.
Kiwi and penguin. Is there any other birds? Amar, other birds name you know? Except kiwi and penguin. Other birds you know?
Ma'am, ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. Okay, lower your hand. Now I'm just next question I'm asking. Why birds are having feathers? Give me three reasons. Why birds are having feathers? Give me 3 reasons. Yes, Rohin.
Body feathers,
Why?
flight feathers, down feathers.
No, that is the type of feathers. But I am asking that why birds are having feathers. I am
Birds are the only animal with feathers. Feathers help birds to fly, to keep them warm, and to camouflage.
camouflage, not camouflage, camouflage, camouflage. Okay, everyone. Rohin, don't read out from your book. I know you are seeing and telling me the answer. It's okay. You have not studied this chapter, but try to complete the study by today so that tomorrow you can give the exam. Okay, so my next question is, can anyone tell me, um, can anyone tell me that telling you one statement that this statement is true or false? Birds are having teeth. Yes, Ashraful, unmute. This statement is true or false? Birds are having teeth.
Ma'am, false.
False. Okay, instead of teeth, what is there to eat their food? Instead of teeth, instead means now. Instead of teeth, what is there for birds to eat their foods? Instead of teeth, birds beak. Oh, okay.
Beak.
Yes, beak is there for to eat their foods. Okay, very good. Now next question is, where did the woodpecker make their nest to live? Or I'm giving you the option. Option A is branch. Option B is on the trunk, and option C is on the leaves where they are just staying. Yes, Rito Provo, unmute.
Yes, trunk.
Trunk. Trunk means what, Rito Provo? Again, unmute.
Okay, what, ma'am?
Trunk means what? Trunk means what? Trunk means গাছের গুড়ি. Okay, I told you. Okay, so, and branch means গাছের ডালপালা. If you can't remember this meaning, please write it down somewhere so that you will not forget it very easily. Okay, very good. Okay, so today's class is up to this. Almost time is over. I will just give very easy questions again on the tomorrow's exam. Math syllabus is the multiplication, and your this syllabus means science syllabus is this chapter. Okay, this birds chapter, knowing your birds. Okay, all the best for your tomorrow's practice exam. Please give the exam. I'm seeing that many of you are not giving. At least 10 students of you are not giving. If this is the scenario, I will remove you from the next week's class. Okay, thank you very much.